Let's get to 1K before we start. Share the video. Share the video. The real comfortable housewife is here. Share the video. Share the video. I hope you like today's outfit too. So na different look now they do here. Housewife, side chick, I did all of them. So without wasting much of our time, hello everyone, welcome back again to another episode of Showcasing Lifestyle and many more. How you are doing? Hope you are doing fine. If so, glory be to God. So just in case you're watching me for the first time, coming across this page for the first time, I goes by the name Seboni Iyobosa Wumaogie. I am officially married with 4 healthy, beautiful kids. AKA that Bone Stray Queen, AKA Bongelicious Mama, AKA Sobobo Mama, AKA Beauty with Brain, AKA her husband, wife, and side chick, AKA yours finest beauty influencer on social media, AKA the queen of all positivity, AKA easygoing woman, AKA amazing woman, AKA I bet my people Muna job the many AK for inside because I want to make the many for my name. In case anybody want to attack me, so all the OK will be said inside go rise up against them. Okay? So una first see please no insults comment here, okay? Forever Young Mommy, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So no insult comments here, okay? And I'm not doing saga, okay? And I'm not on social media for saga, okay? Because I'm too blessed with content. I'm too blessed. I got a lot of beautiful stuff in me to showcase out there. So for that reason, I don't think doing saga is necessary, okay? So now not saying that pidgin English now we dey speak here. So normally I don't do this, okay? Because you know say I want to talk it get where something go reach, you understand, you go still want voice out, okay? So I'm going to be talking about my sister, my sister, yes, normally if to say person dey quick born, normally my sister, you know say you reach to born me. So thank you so very much for the advice, for the 2 cent advice wey be say you give me. But I just come here, I can't tell you, say that advice no be me you suppose give am. You understand? You be like say you do mistake. You understand? So now me come here, come give you my own 50 cents advice, okay? So Baba gang, I'm doing this video because of you all, you understand, not because of the negative people out there. So I have been on social media for the past, let's say for the past 9 years now, but I can't dey as in more active, okay? So before I go start, please my sister, if you want send message, in case you don't realize say that one where you first send it no belongs to me, or you still feel say na me, now you no do mistake, I beg. If you want send me message, may you try they speak pidgin English. All those that one where they speak true nose, me I know the hear am. I no feel like you now, only small now I understand for inside the English where you speak. You know, una know say they talk all the time, say me I no be America. I was not born in America. I was in Nigeria, now they born me. And the only small English wey beside learn, now I carry come Germany, okay? So country wey beside they stay, now Dutch, now they speak, okay? So next time, if you want to send message to me, okay, or you want give me advice, they talk for pidgin English so that I go to hear you well. You understand? So thank you so very much for understanding that first, okay? Thank you. I know say you don't understand, you do well. So Baba gang go, una know say they tell now right from time, say all wetin I dey do for social media today, now some group of people, set of people, now motivate me to come dey do wetin I dey do today, okay? Like showcasing my belongings, officially married, whatever wey be say you know me put, okay? So back then in 2016, yes, 2015 to 2017. So I can't come across this lady on Facebook, okay? So when I come across this lady on Facebook, so wetin make me see her video, say the set where we say start live stream, start live video, to they do video, to the advice, or to the send message. I was among the first set where we say start, and just that we not going to use our own till they do bad, you understand? Until this woman come up with helping women in distress and whatever, okay? Just that I not con dey distress, so there's no time where we say I take dey distress. I can't just like her that time, because that time no sabi do makeup at all, you understand? It can't be like say she can still sabi pass me as at that time. If she come and go right from time, I dey like person wey be say e dey presentable, e go still dey, e go still look good, e go still dey look good and all. So as I just see her live video, now I come start to dey follow her. If she dey talk, I go dey comment, I go dey praise her and all, until she come switch topic to as in harassing single mothers, bullying single mothers. She was like calling herself that time like she's a comfortable housewife, single mother by stupidity, single mother by this, single mother by that. That time, me, I never marry. Okay, me and my husband, we never marry, but we were planning and working towards it. You understand? So when she come start to the lay that speech, single mother, they insult single mother all the time. You understand? I come dey comment say, which kind woman be this? You know, now the way some people go comment, if case topic where be say I talk, it no make sense. They go comment here. You understand? I no insult her. You understand? So I come dey make updates concerning her. These people mocking single mother, nobody will know they make updates. Even now that they make updates about me, I they ignore mostly. You call yourself public figure now. You have to learn on how to ignore. Not be everything go just react, put. You understand? So because say I comment, not be even bad comment, now I comment self. So this woman come start to dey tackle like it come because she know say that time be single mother. She come dey tackle me where they tackle me where tackle my Facebook friends. All the Facebook friends who be side there for social media, I never reached there. I never go meet them for us before. We were just Facebook friends, you understand? So other single mothers like me, they not going to happy people say, this woman, you came out as helping women in distress. But this one now, you can't be adding more problem to women in distress. Me, I not going to understand. Oh, sorry, suburban gang. You understand? Now I can say, thank God say, me and my husband, we don't ready to prepare for our marriage that time. Deep in me, you understand? Inside me, I know say that lady, she was not legally married because he get some kind statement where be say I go make. That time go say those people where be say that they mock single mother, that they insult single mother. And before they go they mock single mother, in case you want no speech why they lay that time, before they go they mock single mother, let them bring proof, their certificates to prove to us that they are really married. You understand? So it could be like say the thing no man, you know say wetin you know be, you dey fake am. If they use an issue, we go they pay you. That was the only statement where be say I make that time, you know. So I can't just like ignore me. I don't know say the woman put her for mind, okay. So when I come marry 2017, hey God, oh Jesus, suffering and smiling marriage. This is that she can't start to they do every day, almost every day. She they do live video concerning me. They thought say I don't know her before, nothing. They thought say me, I buy my husband, I bought my husband 50,000 euro, 40,000 euro. I don't, you understand? She just they do talk all those kind of things. I know man, I can't ignore say God, what thing I can't find for life again. God don't bless me with children, with better husband. This suffering and smiling. That time she can't increase the topic. Helping women in distress, So some of them consider thought say, na young man na marry o. Say although young men, they go they beat woman. This is that. Because they don't know say the kind man where be say God still bless me is different. Yes, my husband is a young man. You understand? Who is older than me? My husband is three and a half, let's say 3 to 4 years older than me. And I'm so glad God bless me with a man of my generation. Man where be say that as a man where be say he understand me, you know, he dey love me, he dey care me. Thank you, Master Jesus. She senior the man, nothing where be say they know they talk that time. I can't keep quiet, I can't keep calm. Until one day, she said they do. I don't mind this lady. I can't begin to see fake accounts. They go just take my wedding picture. You understand? The person go take my wedding picture. Me and my husband. That time still fresh, 2017, 2018. Go use and take they spread and they go, look at this woman, she bought husband, look at this girl. Because that time, I was not looking fresh like this. You understand? Now, because I always they praise my husband, say, since I married my husband, now I come begin the fine. So it was like I look older than my age then. You understand? You know, say he get some stage where be say you there for life. It go be like say you know fine. But if the man where be say you there with, they give you peace. Man where be say you marry, you know say you don't marry, you don't get what you the reason again, nothing. Your mind go come there at peace. In as much say yes, I know say I be slim woman, but I come dey fresh. My real face come dey come out. No say na small pikin na the girl really be. You know, she still they do until one day me myself come say not be this woman, not be only this woman sabi use fake account. Maybe myself, maybe use. Now, no say I tell her yesterday, say me self, I get fake account, but I know they use and they do bad. Nobody will not get fake account. I'm real, I go talk on. Now it's okay. Let me still do my own. I can go comment for one of our posts. I can go to say, I can comment there, say marriage without a certificate. If you know you are married, show us your certificate. You understand? So as I just do that thing, the thing can just worse. You know, she don't let me rest again. Any small thing, suffering and smiling. Any small thing, suffering and smiling. Any small thing, suffering and smiling. Now I can't rest because now once now they talk to person, now I can't live and say okay, make this one just carry a while. They go until that saga, that time period where be say people they fear saga. Not be now where be say we go even they fear who want use our name to do saga so that we go get more popularity or sorry, so that we will get more popularity or we go get more followers, you know. So I come they like hi that time say normally I not be quiet person since I don't marry. If you don't dey born, you don't marry. If you felt pepper body before, you can't dey release and small. Make I just because of my husband and children, they ignore. This woman no serious, so it can't be like say it's a must. It's a force say now all women will be saying marry. Now go there in distress. Like she don't open that her page. Say it's what her page is all about, helping women in distress. But this woman, me I not there distress now in my marriage. You leave me alone. May you go find another woman or another marriage where they in distress. You know, she can see they do. I can't keep quiet. You understand? So later they go say fake life. She borrow. She this. She that. Until I can't begin say okay, me myself I want become public figure. They don't to drag me. This one go drag me, the other one go drag me, the other one go drag me. That's okay. Maybe myself make I create my own page. That time I never sabi do makeup. If you know you are my long time suburban gang, you know say that time my makeup, you know yours they try at all. Just that me I know they agree that time say my makeup no they say my makeup no they try. It not be like now I see fair be. Now I say even though I know sabi do makeup, I want just come and start to they do makeup so that make the woman know say I know they fear me. They are really ready for this popularity. Not be only she can they do and they many well. You understand? So now I come begin. They show my house. They show everywhere. They show the one where be say she really do. Where be say that since that day I crossed my heart said this woman. I can never forgive her. You understand? She not only take my husband, me and my husband wedding picture. No, that one not even pay me. I don't want to send down. My newborn baby then, which is Ese, okay? Ese, my third child. Picture where be say two of us now as newborn now. Mama will be say a newborn. Even the day where be say I born Ese. You understand? The day where be say I born Ese, my baby shower pictures where I upload them on the 16th of on the 16th of November 2017. The day where be say I just upload them, Mona no vex say I carry on and go back. This same woman make updates. Like, these are the set of woman where be say they start to the talk say four children, three papa, 4 children, 3 papa. Now this set, this woman, now she start to they call me that name for this social media. Where be say the time where be say they do mockery, but she not dead there when I did one. She not know give me pregnancy. You understand? So she can't make update that day. Wait, that very day where be say I born. She say 3 children, 3 papa. Congratulations anyway. Now I say, so this woman, you know what still rest. I just see the updates. Now I say, who born for 3 papa? Me, I not born for 3 papa. So maybe now another person. Now she dey talk to. Angie, please go to you guys should relax, okay? So now I say, me I not born for 3 papa. So me I just ignore. Maybe now self. Now she dey talk to. You understand? I can't ignore. So when my baby don't they grow, I say like a bit. So you know now if you newborn, the thing go they shock you. Before I used to they snap picture with my children where they upload. Now still this same set of people. Now make me call limiter. I not go they carry them, they snap alone, they upload again. Say if we want to do party, I know say they with us. We'll snap together so that in case they want carry my children, may they carry me follow on, because I love my children so much. I don't joke with them. You understand? So she can't take that me and Ese picture where we snap together. She can't go lay insult for fake account. She can't they insult me and my baby for them. I can't ignore and not still talk. All this matter where we say they go on for social media. To those people where be say they don't know me before. Waiting me don't bear. I'm not sure. I'm not sure say una go fit bear now. Good 5 years. Next month on the 8th is going to be my 5 years marriage anniversary. Because she can't lay update also. She say I die my husband. The marriage no go last. Not be only she, but not be only she can they talk and bet, because say now one particular person now they talk to now. So I go they talk say she. She say that many things where be say she do. You know, I can't just they ignore until I can't start public figure. Become a public figure, they do makeup. She go see open fake account. They insult me, they pull red head for my videos. Now she even make me love redhead. As soon as see me for years, so I love redhead so much. You understand? Now I can say, even sometimes I go past a platform. If they go preach the word of God, redhead go see there. So what is the need? Me I can't dey used to the redhead. She go they disturb me with bad comments. If I block her, she don't open another one. If I block her, she don't open another one. I say, waiting me I do this woman. Me I know you before. My marriage is not in distress. You now, you but they do all these things so that maybe and my husband come they quarrel, so that we go scatter, so that you go see something to they blog about or something to they talk about. Say, hey, I said it that she bought the man. I said it that he's suffering and smiling. She they do. Okay, oh, I don't see man. Oh, she do. You know, say if you can't beat them, you join them. So she can't see say waiting that they do, and they grow, and they excel. And always they talk all the time. My people, it's good to have a good heart. If you get good heart, anything where be say you put your hand, you go there excel. I was not the best makeup artist. I don't even sabi anything at all. But still, people come they follow me. You understand? She where be say she start live video. All this saga, everything, they get views that time. She can't surprise say I can't they challenge her for views. Even till now, as they try to drag me down, rich, God don't put me to shame. I see they get the views. Because now the kind head and the kind heart where this I carry con life. I not spoil person, why my own no go better for me? So when she dey the country where be say she dey before that whole land, she know dey na one spot now she dey do her live video, dey insult people anyhow. She know dey show where she dey cook for her children. She know dey show her room. She know dey show anything, just one spot. You understand? So it could be like say the way me dey do and dey show her my things right from time. Na person wey be say dey free now be. Then she can't relocate go UK. Whether na because of me she relocate go UK, I don't know, because I can't dey feel say this one where everybody just dey run, they go UK. I be fair house no come dey Holland. The first thing wey be say she do when she go UK, she can't carry she can't do live video. She say her husband buy her house and car. I know attack and put she say she na Lolo, my Igwe. Till today, she never show me the palace. She never show me the Igwe palace. You understand? She said the husband buy house, he buy car. These are the set of people where be say that they look for this social media. Till they judge Mrs. Iyobosa, say na fake life Mrs. Iyobosa they live. You know, she say her husband buy a house, her husband buy a car. I no attack and put why it be say me now? Since my husband come they get time where they follow me, they come out for live video. Why it be say me now? I can't call myself her husband, wife, and side chick, richest allergy in Deutschland. They come they attack me. They put you came out. You say you be comfortable as wife. Nobody drag on with you. Nobody fight and put. You say you be Lolo. You be Igwe wife. Of which say we know say you never show us the palace till now. You understand? So to cut the story short, okay, make I just talk that one since the day where be say when I know say me, I know sabi speak English. Say me they take my children to motor park or that. This woman, she has been my long-time friend on Facebook. She knows say Angie Bite, okay. So this woman, she has been my long time on Facebook by then. She knows say all these things where be say she dey talk. Now waiting me teach am. That time where be say I go carry my children, we will go swimming pool. I go record down. I go do anything where be say they do. I dey record down that time. So excuse me, so Bobo gang. Angela, Angie. Baby, I'm coming, okay? Okay, I'll give you. Angela, allow me to hear it, okay? Mama is almost home. Give her. So una no vex, so una no say our papa no there, as our papa they work. So at the same time, mom and father, okay? So my husband they work. If you want close, like 12, now you want to close. You understand? So waiting at the talk, they call yours now. She know say all these things where be say she can't they do today. Like when she even relocate to that UK, she can't they show her kitchen, washing machine where be say she knew bad. She copy all this stuff from me. Like this share where be say with the juice, they sit down, they do makeup, they do live video. She copy all this stuff from me. I'm the one that is made to, now me they mentor her. You understand? So before if I waiting I talk they call yours now. Say that time where be say all those 2018, 2019. If I carry my children go to me pool, I they record down. Anything where be say they do that time, I they record down. If we snap, this same set of people, they go still collect my children pictures, till they constitute waiting they want to. Now I can say, which can't it can be this? I can't they limit her. We can't they do my children stuff outside media. You understand? You get? We can't they do one outside media. Then say I go put her out there. Before I know it, they don't. Now I say I know fit to. Even the day where they say she buy her washing machine, to those people where they say that they attack me, say she too they show off. She copy me. They do all these things. Now because of me, Now she relocate, go UK, so that she go fit the show fine house. But now, the fine house, she know they show am again. She said, me, I know they take my children out. Today is my first day where be say I dey do video in the night. So as you sent me that 2 cent advice, my sister, so that advice is not for me, okay? You do mistake. So wetin me want tell you be say, you as a mother where be say you are not supposed to be on live video, because the way you take art, you just drag suit. They talk say you too decent, you too over decent. Meanwhile, now me teach you how to date decent. Before, nobody they show husband for this social media. Now Mrs. Iyobosa start am. I mentor you until you start showing your husband. You understand? Before, una know they are not sure whether una they even they live together, even till now self. You know, now me mentor you. So that message, when I see and I say no, enough is enough. You cannot come out on social media to come dey prove to your mentor say now you dey decent, now you live life pass. You understand? If I say make I dey bring receipts of me and my family expenses in a week, my sister, you go even kneel down. Tell me, you too much. You understand? So that's it, okay? So that message, don't try it again. If there's anybody where is supposed to make changes for your life, it should be you, okay? I challenge you, because I see the time where we say you pack that time. You not buy new furnitures. You not buy new furnitures. Bed, your small boy bed where be say you show. It was not new. And normally, it's not supposed to be so, okay? Normally, even though you buy other stuff second hand, like me, and I know they buy second hand, if you like, you call it bragging. Because anytime I buy my something, I come carry and come live video, come unbox am. You bought second hand bed for your son. Bed where be say pikin one sleep, okay? So, you are the one that's supposed to make changes, okay? I want, as from today, I challenge you. I'm not insulting you, my lady, okay? I still love you so much no matter what. I challenge you. As from today, they show me wetin your children they eat. You understand? They show me how you take the buy food for your children. How you take the cook for your children. How you take the clean your house. Don't just come on social media and sit on one spot doing live video there. You see my homie, they tour around. I want you to be showing everything. As far as say you call yourself public figure, before you can give Mrs. Iyobosa that advice, you have to make sure say they do all these things. And another thing where be say you talk, you say when I can't tell no, say this woman she's looking for trouble. You can't lay speech. You say something this year that your children they are having one rooms in hotel. My God. Sister, my lady, okay? My children not get one room for hotel. Your children can get one room for hotel. Congratulations to you. Me, I don't feel go hotel because number one, I am a married woman. Like king, now I'm married. My husband is from a royal home. I see they talk. Go investigate. So I don't feel go hotel. Go carry room for hotel, carry give my children. Bed where be say another man and woman for don't do work report and winning one now. Me and my husband will go to sleep for their abomination. No, we turn our house to hotel. If we want to go out, go and ask of the city where beside they stay, Heidelberg. Heidelberg is one of the, is one of the most fun city. You get what you define where be say no, you know see here. Neka vise, hills, you get where be say you go. That is, I not just want to make sure. Just Google land now. You say you go school, so just Google land. May you go check am. And in the city where beside they stay, Germany. In case you are living in Germany, even though you don't like me, you know say this city where beside they talk. Please feel free to comment down below. For Germany, there is nothing like say you can't go supermarket, you go come raise camera, city where beside the state or some other state, nearby state in Germany. Not be country where be say you go raise camera. It's not allowed. That time, the one where be say I do for swimming pool, where be say I can record down for my Facebook, Ebony Iyobosa woman. Okay, the video is still there. That video where be say I do, I get problem put. You understand? It's not allowed. You know, say me, I'll come they record everywhere. They show you all my movement. So if you want me to take that risk, to they show you all my movement, even before they go restaurants, I would they do it well now. But since this COVID come out, this COVID-19, where it come out, you supposed to know say everything change. Since you say you go school, you did classic. Now because say you add classic, now because I come out, come talk to you. If not, normally I no go just send that just ignore. Okay? Since when COVID come out, everything changed. If you even go store self, like you go restaurants, you are not allowed to eat in there. You never tell where they change everything here. Now not be ND 2021, they come, they change and they come. You and I, we know that. Okay? So that's it, my lady. I never talk finish. So now, I challenge you. I want may you they show me food where you as you go they cook for your children. As you go they even you where be say they talk all this one. I never see one day say you can't go you can't do birthday for any of your pikin. You never do one before. They know they yes say you do birthday for pikin. Even that Disney World where be say you talk just now, me just call a motor park. Okay, even that Disney World. I never see say you don't carry your own children go there, record them. You never do it before. Your pikin go they do birthday everywhere as a public figure. Everywhere will be silent. You know go decorate balloons. Since you know carry, if you know carry them go Disney World. At least even though if you know fit decorate balloon, then this Disney World before you go they ask of my own. I want to see your own first. You know go bake cake. You know go celebrate your pikin. Just trouble. You understand? I want make they sing all your children's birthday celebrations. Okay? I want make they put on for life. And come back to that money where you say, maybe they spend money. You don't spend money reach me. You don't spend money reach me and my family. You and I, you know this. You understand? So these are the set of people where be say, I remember back then in 2015, 2006, even till now, this same set, now go party, they carry igele, they carry gold, fake gold. Like, I get the here now. See ya. Now this one, now they pack for neck. That time they call am gold. See ya. I get am here. They go pack am for neck. They go say na gold. Now they be this now. These are not real gold. These are not real gold. If to say I be the type where be say they live fake life just now, I go bring and come and I go say look at gold. This is not real gold. This is gold. I have two of these because one become misplaced inside house. After I'll be get me new one. Now I can find now. So this is gold. This is 22 karat gold. Okay, 22 karat. So all this they are gone. So they go pack am for neck that time. Go party, go they do ezuzu. I know your type. So now cause until today, that money will be say my husband go carry come out, small change. You they look am as big thing. You know, you be busy spending your own in parties. Then we save our own. Then still they use and until they live normal life. Not be say less competition, igele competition, fake gold competition, you know. So because say you don't use your money that time, you don't use and finish. My own now me must use am. As in I go just the carry pikin go Disney World every day. They go to where for there. Since I say I get money, no, you have to start it first, okay? Carry your pikin, carry your children, go that Disney World. they do birthday, better birthday for children. They do fine cake. You don't see my own. If I want to do my children a birthday party, I go bake cake, I go decorate a balloon, I go buy drink, I go sew clothes, I go buy shoes, different things. You understand? They spend like that. You go still they spend like that, and make sure say the children too, that they always they celebrate time with their father. Not be say nah if me and Mark quarrel and we know see now if we dey in good condition now go dey show igwe. I know they see normally a real couple, a remarried woman supposed to we know now because anytime I lay that speech say some people know they do some people no marry but they want to celebrate anniversary. Anytime I lay that speech or anytime I speak anytime I lay speech say marriage without no certificate, that one is marriage, you will start attacking me. If to say you really marry, you're not supposed to they attack me at all. Like me now. If they want insult who no marry, I not go vex because I don't say I should marry. You understand? I not say I marry. So that's it, my lady. As you challenge me, you challenge me wrongly because all those things I don't they do how they come. You know, now my heart now you copy. Okay? Now you copy. I don't want to talk to the rest because now you send 2 cents advice for me. Now me can return. Now me can send you 50. Now my heart you copy. I know you are older than me. You are old enough to be my mother. If they say me woman, they quickly born. 12 years they born now. 30 years they born. 14 years they born. 15 years they born. If they say me they quickly they born, you reach to born me. You understand? So me they challenge you now, okay? I want to see your children's savings account. You understand? Not just saying spend the money. I want to see your children's savings account. How much your children get for their accounts. You understand? I want to see your children's account. Now you challenge me, and you say you want to see when I carry my children, they go Disney World. Me, I want to see your children's savings account. You see that party where they say you stop since 2019, where you not going to go party again. Now that same thing where it stop you from party, now it stop me from going to Disney World. You understand? Okay? I want to see your children's savings account. I want to see your own savings account because this life where be say we dey, so you don't feel just they spend money without say you not save. Like me now, I spend a lot. I dey spend well and I dey save. That's life. Because we don't know the way go break tomorrow. I can't afford to come and be begging on social media. Please donate. God forbid. You understand? You cannot mislead me. Now since I married, now you start to disturb me. You want make I come they call you so that from there you come they give me wrong advice. Before I go pursue my husband, I no go know. My good loving husband. You know? So you have to show me your savings before you start going to Disney World. This one is my advice for you now. As your small sister, as your pikin. Before you start going to Disney World, before you start to give your children one room for hotel, make sure say your house is well furnished, okay? New things. Stop buying second hand, especially when it comes to second hand bed. It's very, very unhealthy. It's not nice, okay? Because you don't know, because some phone where we say that they throw away outside or where they sell for Caritas. Now dog, now first sleep there. You understand? Dog. Some self, it runs out there. Now because some person know they know when they carry a runs out enter house, bed box. You know, buying new furniture is very, very important. Okay? Make sure say you buy new furniture. You furniture your house where. This is the first and last video where we say I go do for you. After you don't do all these things, this challenge, where you take challenge me first. Me, I can't challenge you. Now, after you don't do all these things, then me and you will come put one leg for trouser. Then we go dig on. Now train me, I saw with them my own. Now they train me put. So, me and they do press up put. Okay? My husband, they my back. So furnish your house properly. Show me where your kids the kind food where you dey cook for your children. Show me your kitchen. Show me your children's service. For this life is good. Life is sweet. Life is fun. Before you dey rent one room hotel for your children, you make sure say you get better service. You first say first in case problem come tomorrow. Forget say we dey live Europe. Problem can come at any time. You see as me dey now, problem yours dey. I go just clap hand for my husband. He go run, go bank. He go see money carry come without we begging. You understand? Show us your service, your children's service, before you start showing me the one room where be say you rent for them, for hotel. It's very important. And this share, I don't know why anybody where be say that they throw mats, they give themselves, not be me. They always they talk about this share, this particular share. So say nah it don't hold, so say no fine, so say no this share. We unbox this share on Ebony Iyobosa Woman. The time where we say they come fix am. Where eyes just did this share. Even you talk and you say na so share. Now they snap picture because my house fine past outside. Now because they snap picture for the share. If I want snap picture for my kitchen, it dey possible because it fine. If I want snap for my parlor, it fine. If it not fine to you, but for me, you over fine. I'm so contented. I'm happy. I'm a married woman. Married woman is not supposed to be jumping from one hotel to the other. Now king, now married, Oba pikin, Oba children, we know they go transfer. Now inside house with the day as you talk am. I agree. Now inside house now they day, but at least the place where beside they sit down, they snap. If fine past studio. You understand? If fine. Okay? And this share, I know say a lot of people because I don't get many messages. Where did you buy it? Where did you buy it? I don't talk about this share several times. This share not be share where we say you go see anyhow. This share now share where we say we choose customized share, even though it's not fine for you. I know say you don't go look for this share where you know see her. Or the set where be say that they tackle me put on, maybe you see her, it can't too cost for you. You understand? Because for you not to fit buy new furnitures for your house, buy new bed for your children. Now share like this, now you want to fit buy. Okay, so that's it, okay? That is all I have to say. Before you go start to impress the street, make sure you are comfortable indoors. And they wash you long time, long time they come. The way they wash me, that's so me they wash you. Okay? Start buying new furnitures. It's very, very important. And I want make you still show me your closet. I want to see whether you fall down where accordingly. Not be say you just remove clothes, show where inside. Remove clothes, show where inside. If you think it's easy, live the life where beside they live. You can't they copy me, they come. They copy me, they copy me, they copy me, they copy me. But you reach the money aspect. You no fit copy me there. You reach there, go see and say no level, you no get money. You can't vex there. You they copy me, they copy me, they copy me. You reach maintenance aspect. You think it's easy to maintain this share? You think maintaining this share, you think it's easy? To those people where we say that they find Mrs. Iyobosa buy, I want to go buy. You think to maintain stuff is easy? It's not by every year now that they buy furnitures. No, I don't buy furnitures every year. I don't buy furnitures every 2 years. I don't buy furnitures every 3 years. I buy furnitures if furnitures are faulty. Do you know why? Because I know say I feel the maintain now. You know the stress where be say I tell they take care of this share. This one a house where be say 4 children, not be 2. 4 children they inside. Can you do this? You can't. You can't, my queen, okay? You can't, my mommy, okay? Please, okay? Let's try to practice what we preach. It's very, very important. Because everybody, they saga me, they go. No me say you go come see just see saga me. Say, na big meat, na they bad. What I mean by big meat, you know me say because say you get money, no. Because of your followers on social media, not only there, not only followers, now you take better pass me for life. If I lie, now I die. Now only followers, now you take pass me for life. 300,000 followers after saga, bullies, and all. You understand? That is the only thing where be say you take pass me for life. And age. Age is just a number. The way you dey act, I senior you. You understand? You have been the one that has been acting childish. You understand? You see, for age there, I senior you. For grace, I senior you. For you to stood up, come give me that 2 cent advice. When you know, say that 2 cent advice belongs to you. I'm your mentor. Now me show you say that they show husband. Now me show you say that they show kitchen. Now me show you say that they buy bed before you go buy that second hand. You understand? I'm the one that you are watching. I'm the one that you are looking up to. And I mean still let you know say that they do anniversary. Even when I know say you are not officially married, but you still they manage, they do anniversary. I'm so proud of you. It's so nice. You know, it's cool, it's good. So don't forget, okay? You are older than me for age, but your behavior, it can't make me consignor you. If my children, I get how many pass you now. I get how many pass you. I get girl, I get boy. The only boys you get, see, I senior you for them. You see? So that's it, my lady. Please, let's try to mind ourselves on this social media. You don't do. This public figure where be say they do today. They show this, they do that. You join the gang, the group where be say drag me, motivate me. Today I am enjoying it. I'm enjoying the fame. Yes, I'm enjoying it. Even though the whole world, they never know me. The whole world never know me. A lot of people, they don't know me. You understand? So, okay? That's my 50 cent advice to you. Mind your business. Don't force couple where be say they know they get problem for their marriage. Make they come they talk to you so that you go see topic. If couple get problem for social media, if couple get problem, don't talk negatively. Try to talk positively. If you know you are really married, or if you know you are happy in your marriage, okay? Look at what you are. Just see what they do to chorus. It's how many days now? This is the same thing you did to me. Just that time media never used to expose like this. This was the same thing you did to me. Since the day I got married, since the day where be say I born a cell, you don't let me rest. It's the same thing you are doing to Cora Obidi right now. The lady just newborn. Then they get problem for marriage. Fine. You call yourself married woman helping women in distress. You are supposed to come out and console her. You understand? Give her advice where be say it go heal her heart. Because no matter what, no matter marriage where be say you go there, or relationship where be say you there, even though you love the man well, or you don't love the man well. If you not share Gary, know her, may it not pay you. You must feel hurt. You are supposed to come out to console that girl. But what you they do? You just they talk negatively. As you they talk negatively, you they tag her, you they tag her husband. Why are you like this? Why? And you are supposed to be a mother. You understand? You are older than you. And you waiting they vex me for you. You they always do all these things to children. You understand? Now children now will be now to you normally. Eh? You always does this to children. Eh? No place, no marriage where be say trouble no dey or quarrel no dey. If na marriage where be say you know allow that is not supposed they are two of them not supposed to be apart. The way you dey do, the way you dey vlog, the way you dey share, the way you dey tag the man, dey tag her, the man go see and go if he get mind to say okay, make them make amends, as in make them settle their differences, so that make them make everything work fine. Your writing, your post, everything, it go discourage the man, it go discourage Cora. Why are you doing this? For Christ's sake. E no get anybody where be say you go cry come out for this social media. May you come talk positively. No. You are always negative, always negative. If you are really married, if you really married, or you marry, you happy for your marriage, will you be doing all this stuff? Because person like me now, as my husband married me well, I dey happy with my marriage. Ha. I no go dey find marriages where one spoil when I want talk put. Go reach that girl, kindergarten, that girl stroller. You carry on with the small pikin. Oh God. You carry on. You whether na screenshot, whether it's not here, you screenshot. Then you go eBay site. You go carry a kindergarten. You attach them together. Put red for Cora kindergarten and Cora baby head. You put red. You can't put green for the one where be say you go screenshot come out for eBay. You don't know whether the girl get the money. Okay, me now where be say still the back. Una say I too bad. Una say I too bad, too show off. Eh? She now where be say she no see back. You carry and you tag small baby, all because say the girl get name. Yes, she have name. Anybody where be say you fit talk to that person get name now. And you be so happy when the girl reply you. You can't be happy. Yo, celebrity don't reply me. Wow. You understand? Because say you want get more views, want more popularity. You can't carry the pikin. Innocent pikin that is less than 2-3 weeks old. You put on there, you put red for the pikin head. Innocent pikin, you put red because say you want block. You don't care how the woman go feel. Why be say some of us we don't have conscience? Like me now, Mrs. Iyobosa, I get heart for, as you not get anything where be say you want talk, I go share stand. Not be everybody get this heart too. If that lady was not a strong woman, now, you know the kind, you know the kind of damage where be say you for cost to a woman where just newborn, where still they bleed, they breastfeed. Okay? So that's it, okay? Before you go judge others outside, make sure you are okay. It's not by applying makeup. It's not by speaking English. You understand? May we try, may we get sense. It's very, very important. It's not by I'm 40, I'm above 40. May we try to the art where may we not come be full at 40 is a fool forever. Okay? It's very, very important. Like me now, God, I'm still very, 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 very far from 40. God, I the prayer way beside the pray. Before I go get to that 40, any sense way beside I don't get, God, bless me with sense because I don't want to be a fool at 40. I don't want to be a fool at 40. No. Okay? So that's it, okay? That is my 50-cent advice to you. Try to be positive. Try to be nice. Try to be nice, okay? And try to see show me your Igwe palace also. Because person know yours be Igwe they get palace. Try to show me your Igwe palace also. Okay? And if you try to they show your house the way me I they show her. So that's it, okay? Let's try to mind our business. If we buy, we too buy. Who not buy? She not buy. Me too buy. Cora not buy. I not just understand some set of people for this social media. anything person do we complain. You think say if to say that girl want buy kindergarten, she don't get money to take back kindergarten. If she still too blink now, they go say she dey carry body. The way you are attacking Mrs. Iyobosa here now, she too dey show off, she too dey bad, she too dey this. Wetin person go do for this life where people no go talk? Have you ever seen me since I became a public figure? You don't ever see person post for my page. Or say person do something for social media, I can't they talk about them. I create my own content. That is how to be, that is how to know educated somebody. I create my own content. Anything where beside your scene, as far as inside my house, I do them. Since Germany, you not carry camera. If you carry camera, you'll see say one security or one workers. You'll come in to go say no. It's not allowed. I see it's so okay because now waiting I want. I begin the vlog for inside my house. My inside house is fine. Now I constant the vlog inside. Okay. So that's it. Okay. Learn to be nice. You are a mother. You are a woman. You are a public figure. You are a beautiful woman. Very, very beautiful. Okay? Try to be nice, so that in case, since you don't carry that title, helping women in distress, so that in case women really dey distress, they go run to you. Because the way they do it now, you are just chasing your clients away. Anybody will be say get problem now, they know for their marriage, they know one can give you because they know say you go mock them. You understand? So if you know say now you want to do for social media, stand by it. They do it well. The way me take carry makeup and showcasing lifestyle on social media, see, and they do it well. Now cause they excel. Don't be here today, tomorrow you are here. It's not nice. It's not nice, ma'am. Okay. So I love you so very much. I love you so very much. So next time, if you want to send me message, they just speak in English. That your English, I know they understand that. So I know yours the year round. I know yours the year round. I know yours like that English at all. Okay? Before I feel understand, I have to take earphone. You understand? Not the phone too much. Okay? Not the phone. Now Nigeria, all of us, they come. Be real. Okay? Be real by speaking pidgin English. It's very important. Speak pidgin English. Okay? All those they drag suit like this, they drag gun like this, they drag gun like this. No, don't try that again. If you want to talk to me, no, they do like that again. I don't like it. Okay? You are talking to, they talk to a humble person. You do well, not be say good. You they spend. You know they spend. You know they spend. So why were you doing that? Spending money. Go and spend the money. Which water your children they drink apart from tap water? You they buy juice for us. You know they buy. You know they buy. Do you know what is spend money? You want to make I come they show receipt every day. Make they see how much I they spend every day. May we put that one as challenge. Start it. Okay? Anytime we go shopping, you'll bring receipt. Me go still bring my own. Okay? Let's start it. Okay? So love you all so very much. So this is the first and last video where be say I send for you. So if you like, go do another one. If you want to do another one, they put my name where. Not be that couple way things say they get money. They put time. Be bold enough to put Mrs. Iyobosa Fashion World. I don't use my houseboy head. Take enter 50K. From there, I can't go. I see say the thing not going to pop again. I can't do another one. I can't still use in head. Enter 70K. You they do it well so that me go still use your own enter 100K. And we are here for the fame. No shame again. Okay? Shame no day. Everybody want popular now. Be after all, 1 cent they come out for the media. Don't go still they find money. Oh, who I be, where me I no go find money. Oh, okay. So, good night and love you all, Suburban Gang. Bye, everyone.